residents in Masvingo have strongly rejected the proposed bill put forward by Ziyambi, labeling it a betrayal of the core values of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. The residents expressed their discontent, stating that their parents fought for the country's independence to ensure every citizen's voice is heard, emphasizing the principle of one man, one vote. Salamina Mashkobranyi Kopangwa Nachin's Masvingo rejects Ziyambi's bill, demands referendum in defense of one man, one vote. Whatever subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda Pahendo, Makumi Chambranya Rajita. The rejection comes after Ziyambi claimed the bill had popular support, prompting residents to demand a referendum to settle the matter. If Ziyambi says the bill came from the people, then let the people decide for a referendum, said one resident. As Vice President Chiwenga often emphasizes, the liberation struggle was fought so everyone can have an equal opportunity. It's a high time every Zimbabwean has a say in this critical decision. Ziyambi's credibility has been questioned given his history of losing ZANU-PF primary elections twice, indicating a lack of popular support. Critics argue he should not speak on behalf of the people. The backlash extends to media coverage, with the claims that state broadcaster ZVC is selectively airing views supporting the bill. Opposition voices like Tendai BT, Citizen Press Conference rejecting the bill, have allegedly been ignored by ZVC. Kudzai Mutisi, a vocal supporter of the bill, living in South Africa, faced scrutiny over his claims that Masvingo residents support the bill. Critics pointed out Mutisi's absence from Zimbabwe is due to economic challenges, questioning his authority to speak for Masvingo residents. Sadly, a black man wants to impose change on another without letting citizens speak for a referendum, as the Constitution states. The controversy highlights tensions between the government and citizens, with calls for transparency and public participation in crucial decisions as Zimbabweans await the next steps. The message from Masvingo is clear: the people's voices will not be silenced. Thomas Kwanubranyi Kopangwa Inoi. Comment section videos of your aim to live on Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.